Hey y'all, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing an all pink inspired makeup look. I saw this video style going around on Instagram Reels. Basically it's where you have like all pink products that you use to do like a pink makeup look, even though it's not like a pink concealer, but it's pink makeup products. And I will be doing a pink makeup look, or like pink eye look. I dug out my Barbie ColourPop eyeshadow palette, so I thought we'd use that in today's video. So this is end of me popping in to say like this whole idea of this video is like the Barbie trend all pink look going around. Here's how the look turned out. So let's get into the video, guys. Okay, so for primer, I pulled out my One Size Secure the Blur primer because it is like all pink packaging. I thought this would like suffice. This is it's an ultra blurring, pore refining primer that mattifies and evens out the skin. So I've been using this lately. I have it in my Shop My Stash and I've been enjoying it. It's not like super mattifying, but it's pretty decent. It's concealer because it has a pink cap. So I wanted to use a different foundation. Plus I felt like this one kind of matched my skin tone better than the NYX one did. And I haven't used this one in just like forever, so I was kind of curious to see like if I still liked this or if I didn't like it. You know what I'm saying? Like I just hadn't used it in forever, so I couldn't even remember if I still liked it or not. The color seems to be a really pretty close spot on match to like my skin tone right now. I have a little bit of a tan. And I do like the coverage. It seems like it's a good medium to full coverage. I'm going to just apply a little bit more on my cheeks where I have some redness. I really like this. I think it's a really good product. I had completely forgotten if I liked it or not. Okay, then I'm going to go in with the NYX Bare With Me Serum Concealer. I really love this concealer. I've been using it a little bit as like a foundation a little bit. Like if I'm just doing like a light coverage day. I've really been enjoying this, just doing this and like some powder foundation. It's so good. Next, I'm going to go in with my cream blush. I have the Hot Pink blush from Rare Beauty in Lucky. Now I felt like this was the perfect Barbie blush shade. And I also pulled out a powder blush from ColourPop. This is the Text Me shade from the their heart packaging line. And I felt like these two matched really well, so I thought I'd go in with just one dot of this, and I might need like a powder blush to top it. I know you just need like one little dab. A dab will do ya. This hot pink shade is just so pigmented. Like I remember the first time I bought this and tried it out, I was like, oh my goodness, this pink shade is like too much. But then I learned that you really just didn't need like barely anything to do like the whole cheek area. I kind of wish that the Rare Beauty blushes were just a tad bit less pigmented, because like this looks like way too much, and I might go in with like a tad bit of concealer to try to like lighten that up just a little bit. Going over it with the Beauty Blender just really helped. Okay, So that's how the blush looks. I feel like it looks really good. Now I'm going to go in with powder. I don't really have, quote, a pink powder, but I have this like, this peachy pink powder. So I felt like this would work. Plus this is my current powder that I'm currently using. Okay, so I went ahead and powdered my face and did my eyebrows. So now I'm going to move into bronzer. This is the only bronzer that halfway was pink packaging. Everything else was like brown packaging because it's a bronzer. But I hadn't used this one size, and red is like right next to pink in the color family. So thought I'd use this one size bronzer. I had not used this in a hot minute. This is the medium trio. And I'm just going to I kind of just like mix the shades together. I don't really have like a specific way I use these three shades because I feel like they all kind of look halfway the same. But I have not used this in forever. It's so good. I love this one a lot. And I feel like this was one that people really didn't like. And I think maybe it's because the coloring was a bit dark. Alrighty, I got my bronzer on. I feel like that looks pretty good. I'm gonna go in with the Malibu Barbie pink palette, ColourPop palette now. Here's what the inside looks like. It's really pretty. I love this one a lot. And I think we have no choice but to go with a pink look today, even though, you know, I love pink looks. So, you know, don't really have a choice with this one. So I'm gonna go in with just this, I think I'll go in with the shade Boardwalk and then kind of mix in Best Coast. Boardwalk I'm going to kind of put like kind of on the above the crease, kind of near the brow bone area. This is a really pretty color. I like this one a lot, except it's really powdery in the pan. I'm just putting this hot pink shade kind of in the crease. Okay, so I kind of put it on the outer corner part of my eye, that pink shade. I'm just going to take what's left over my brush and kind of drag it onto the lower lash line a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with the hot pink shade right here in the middle, and I'm just going to pop that like on my lid of my eye. This is a really pretty pink. I love this a lot. Here's how the eyes are looking. I think I'm going to go in with a tad bit of this pink blush just because I can't help myself. I'm just going to tap a little bit of that on my brush. Now for highlighter, I dug out my Pure X Barbie highlighter. I don't even think this is like this is no longer in use, but it has a little Barbie logo in the inside in pink and then like gold on the outside. So I'm just going to tap into the pink part. I love this brush for highlight. That's really pretty. I like that a lot. I'm going to put a little bit of mascara on and find a pink lipstick and we'll be back. Okay, so I found a lipstick. This is the MAC Candy Yum Yum shade. It is hot pink. I've worn this a couple times. I really love this during the summertime. And is this a matte? Yes, this is a matte. The shade of lipstick, it is just so fun. It's so pink. I feel like the ring light is really washing me out. That looks pretty good. So here's like how the look turned out. It's really pink. I really love it. Like, this is like my kind of look through and through. I hope you guys enjoy this all pink, like Barbie inspired look. I don't even think I said that at the beginning of the video. Maybe I'll have to insert a clip and put that in there. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy this style of video for an all pink makeup look. Don't forget, you're absolutely stunning. Bye y'all. Thanks for watching.